This experiment is about momentum and collisions. Now I've got a Powerball here. I'm going to drop it from a height of 1 metre onto the hard tiled floor. And you see it bounced back up, and it was probably a bounce height of between 60, 70 maybe centimetres. So not an elastic collision. Alright, now let's try with two identical Powerballs. So same mass from the same height, a metre. And actually what happened, they rolled off as they hit the floor in a horizontal direction. Okay, now what we've got here now are two Powerballs, but one is much heavier and bigger than the other. And I want you to watch what happens this time when I drop them from the same height, that's a metre, again. Ready? And you saw that the little one, still doing it, bounced right up. And in fact, although you can't see the ceiling in my house here, it is at least 3 metres up, and the ball was going pretty fast when it hit it. So what's going on? Well, in the collision, as you know, the momentum is conserved. The momentum before the collision and momentum afterwards are equal. So, as the large ball hits the ground and rebounds from it at a velocity, let's say u, the small ball descending hits it at a velocity u. And therefore it rebounds with relative velocity u plus u, in other words 2u. But since the large ball is moving upwards with a velocity u, at the moment the little ball hit it, the recoil velocity relative to the ground is 3u. This relies, of course, on the big ball being much heavier than the little one. Now, I've done some calculations with more than 2 balls involved, and you can find the results of these on my website, www.schoolphysics.co.uk. And when you log in, you need to go to age 16 to 19, mechanics, in depth, and then dynamics, and you need to log into the file called dropping balls. And you'll then find this table. Now this shows that when you have one ball, if all this was perfectly elastic, it would hit the ground at 4.4 metres a second. Now we know it's not quite, but the height risen, if you calculate that, is 1 metre. The little ball would go 9 metres up. If you had a third ball, that would go 48 metres up, and so on. And a ball number 10 would be 1,000 kilometres up, ball 11, 4,000 kilometres, and ball 12 would go into orbit. An amazing experiment.